St. George's College, Clarendon College, William Knibb, Jamaica College, Edwin Allen, Calabar, Excelsior. The heavy hitters are very much out and about. The record 39.32 seconds. We have got the corporate era champions, Jamaica College. We have got the defending champions, Calabar. We have got the central champions, Edwin Allen. All the ingredients are in the mix for a cracker.
Nib team, they go in lane number 3. They have the fastest boy in high school this season, Sanjay Seymour. On the second leg, he's twice gone on the 10.30 in 2026. Both at Western Champs, 10.26 in qualifying and 10.29 in the final.
It's an absolutely fabulous lineup here for the Class 1 boys 4x100m contest. Great anticipation surrounding this event.
0.78, Jamaica College, the #1 team in high school this season, the only team under 40 seconds. There's William Knibb. They go in lane number 3. They start with Jabari Matheson, more known for his 400 quality, but believe me, that kid has real speed.
That 39.78 Ricardo told you about, done at the Corporate Era Championships by JC to land the top honors. High quality lineup assembled as go on their marks. In the set position, sent on the way now, and a clean start. Stevenson got Calabar off to a good start on the outside. Kingston College, Edwin Allen, Jamaica College in the mix. On the first handover now, down the backstretch. Excelsior looking good. Calabar is there as well. Kingston College is up there. Excelsior, Kingston College, Calabar, Jamaica College, bubbling at them now. The final handover beckons now. Excelsior, Kingston College. Watch Jamaica College on the inside. This could be a heck of a finish. Jamaica College from Excelsior, from Calabar, from Kingston College. Excelsior digs into a higher gear now and takes it on the line ahead of Jamaica College. 39.70 seconds. The flash time, 39.70. Officially, it's now 39.69 seconds. The farthest season by a high school Class 1 boys team locally. Excelsior High School, 39.69. Fantastic. JC second, 39.89. King College third, 40.27.
Excelsior have been Raquel Reed on their 4x100 teams of late. Put the man who has gone 20.45 wind assisted for 200 meters on anchor today, and they make it look very easy. Jamaica College had a cracker of a team, but they could not live with Raquel Reed on anchor. And I think, Spencer and Daniel, I've not just seen a 400 win for Excelsior, I think I've just seen the sprint champion in the Class 1 100 and 200 meters.
And that was Excelsior stole the spotlight. Stevenson for Calabar up to a great start. He hands over just about first there for Calabar. Excelsior going well on the outside in the bright yellow on your screen there, just ahead of Kingston College. Clean exchanges for Excelsior as they go in this third leg for Jamaica College. Just with the lead here into the final exchange before we see Raquel Reed of Excelsior powering through. Look at those high knees, just nice, comfortable sprinting. Very easy, running 39.69, the official time, and just about what won this meet last year, 39.6 thereabout for Calabar last year, and this year 39.69 for Excelsior. Impressive lineup. Weren't looking at them at the start. All the talk, Calabar, Jamaica College came in as the favorite, but it's Excelsior who stole the show tonight. Raquel Reed with that fantastic ankle leg.
Had a conversation earlier this week with a friend of mine, and I told him this Excelsior team, we've not seen the best of them yet, and a large part of the reason for that is because that young man, Raquel Reed, was not on many of the teams that we've seen from them in recent times.
Excelsior 39.69, JC 39.89, Kingston College 40.27. The top three in the Class 1 boys 4x100 meters. The Class 2 event beckons now. The record for Class 2, 40.65 seconds.